frozen eggs. And I'm gonna guess. I think I want to open this one. We got we got Kristoff. See, a closer look. Let's see. All is okay. See. So, we have got Kristoff. Now, let's go open this one. Oh, we got something. This is one. We got some stickers. See? Stickers. And here is. We got some candies. And this thing is one thing you can put on your pen or something, and you can do this to decorate. See? Anna. So, we got this too. This one is the pencil for your pencils, and this one. So thanks for watching and have a great day.